My name's Jody Walls. I'm the Chief Deputy Clerk with Bay County, Florida's Clerk of Court. I think I'm a really good person to ask why you would take a look at PTG or Pioneer, because we were the alpha.
I've been serving as a clerk since 2009, and when I became clerk, our office was already in the process of looking for a new court maintenance and management system. I wanted to be sure that we were hiring the best company for the job.
Pioneer seemed to be the one that met all of our needs, a solution to our case maintenance issues. You know, that's what it's all about.
We looked at everyone else, and Pioneer seemed to be the best option for our needs.
The level of service, the commitment, you could trust what they say. The product speaks for itself, and it's gotten better and better over the last 2 years.
If we're going to be moving towards the electronic world, you may as well do it right the first time.
It's top-notch, top-of-the-line case management system.
Pioneer has been absolutely wonderful with us, providing the best product for your money.
The ease of use is probably the best thing that I can say about it. Everything's click and point, very easy to use.
The last time we went with the case maintenance application, that was an awful conversion, and it was very, very painful. And this conversion so far, so good.
They were there with us holding our hand the whole way.
You guys understand our work. It's very evident in the application that you've designed.
With PTG, we've built a relationship. It's so easy to pick up the phone and call somebody when you're having an issue.
I've been very impressed with Pioneer. They listen to what our needs have been. They're very good at translating those into features requests.
These are people that are committed. They know what they're doing. They have an outstanding product.
Pioneer's the one.